Class 5 Environment. Have you seen a cat while catching its prey? Suppose a rat? No. Have you seen a cat and its nails? Maybe. Hidden nails under soft paws. Soft paws, নরম থাবা, তার মধ্যে হিডেন নেলস, লুকোনো থাকে তাদের নখগুলো। সোনাম ওয়াজ থিঙ্কিং অ্যাবাউট আ ক্যাটস নেলস অর ক্লজ, এগুলো ইংলিশে নেল না বলে ক্লজ বলা হয়, নখর। সোনাম বেড়ালের নখরের কথা ভাবছিল। নর্মালি দেয়ার নেলস আর ক্লজ আর নট ভিজিবল, সাধারণত বিড়ালের নখ টোকগুলো দেখা যায় না, but they come out when the cat wants to catch something. Whenever a cat tries to catch its prey, its claws come out of its soft paws. She shared this with her friends. Siraj said, it is the same with dogs. In case of dogs, the case is this same thing occurred. Kaushik said, dogs have sharp nails, but they are not hidden in their paws. Kaushik said, dogs have sharp nails, dharalo, sharp nails, but they are not hidden in their paws. You have seen stray dogs, and you have also seen their nails, but those nails are visible from outside. But the nails of a cat are not visible. Many other animals have sharp claws. Most of the birds have sharp claws. Do you know why? It is because they hold on to many things and fly. They catch hold on something to keep them straight so that they do not fall down from the branches of trees. Therefore they have and they also use the claws to catch their prey. The carnivorous birds, they use their claws, sharp claws, for this purpose. And it is of no use in case while they are flying, they do not use the claws. However, the question is, do you know why? Why do the birds have sharp claws? Is it because they hold on to many things and fly? Maybe. Ducks do not fly. Ducks do not fly. It might be the reason why ducks do not have such nails. Owl and eagle are hunter birds, shikari pakhi. Their claws are like hooks, মাছের বড়শির মতো, curved and needle like, সূচের মতো ধারালো। John, hearing this, said, the nails of cows and goats are their hooves. In case of cows and goats, they are called ungulates. Their nails have been converted into hooves, and those nails are blunt, those hooves are blunt. They do not catch insect or fish, hence they do not have sharp nails. Everybody said this to the teacher. She said, right, only the hunter-like animals and birds have such sharp nails. Just now, you read that cats and dogs have sharp nails. Now you read that some hunter birds also have sharp nails. Also, you read that some animals, like cows and goats, which do not use their nails to catch insect or fish, they also do not have sharp nails. Those nails are blunt, actually converted into hooves. So the teacher said, right, only the hunter like animals and birds have such sharp nails. Poonam said, teacher, no species other than humans trim their nails. Then why don't the nails of birds and animals grow? It's a common question. You use your nail cutter to trim your nails whenever necessary, or if you cannot use it, you tell your mother, please trim these. But these animals which we are talking about, they do not need any nail cutter to trim their nails. Then why don't the nails of birds and animals grow? Some people are there, very rare, of course, some people are there uh, whose story are presented on the TV, and those people do not trim their nails, and they have very large nails, suppose 4-inch long or 5-inch long, and those nails are become carved. But in case of these animals, they have also nails, but they do not prune, they do not trim their nails. So why don't the nails of birds and animals grow? This is a question to the teacher. Poonam asked this question to his teacher. Haven't you seen that they rub their nails? They rub not only nails, even beaks of birds also grow. And to trim it, they used to rub their beaks on a hard surface, suppose on the hard part of a tree or a stone. Likewise, they also rub their nails on any hard surface. Rubbing prevents their nails from growing. For this rubbing, their nails cannot grow. Teacher, skin, hair, nails protect the other organs of the body. Teacher, skin, hair, nails, these three parts protect the other organs of our body. But even they have to be protected. They also need protection. They should be kept clean by using soap and water. Oil and cream must be applied. Otherwise, skin gets itchy. Chulkani হবে, itchy. And small eruptions occur. ফুসকুড়ি হবে ছোট ছোট. Hair is affected by lice. উকুন হবে চুলে. And dandruff, খুশকি হবে. Now, at the bottom of page 9, you find two tables. and at the top of the tables there are some words, species without nails. These are the headlines, and fill in the blanks of the table. Species without nails. Which species do you know that do not have nails? The amphibians do not have nails. Species with hooves, cow. Species with little sharp nails, man. A very sharp nails, cat. Ways to solve the problems. Discuss about the problems of skin, hair, and nails. If required, consult your teachers and then write ways to solve the problem. Symptoms and irritations. Problems of skin, hair, nails. You write this part at first. You write this part, column 3, item number 2. Problems of skin. ITCH. Suppose. Then eruptions. Itch and eruptions of skin. This is a problem. Then what are the symptoms? Symptoms is itch and eruption, and problem of the skin, the unclear skin, dirty skin. Ways to solve the problem: to use soap to clean the skin, and also oil and cream to be applied. These are the ways to solve the problem. This way, there are other outer external protective organs too, hair and nail. 3 organs have been mentioned here: hair, nail, and skin. So, what are the problems? You write down, then ways to solve the problems, and what are the symptoms of the problems. Next, in the next part, at page 10, open at page 10 now. Story of the small and big bones. স্যার, ছোট বড় নানা রকমের হাড় আছে তো আমাদের শরীরে, তাদের কথা। স্যার কল্ড সোহম অ্যান্ড গেভ হিম এ পাইপ টু হোল্ড। সোহমকে ডেকে স্যার তাকে একটা পাইপ ধরার জন্য বললেন। হি সেড, হোল্ড ইট ইউজিং ইউর থাম অ্যান্ড ইন্ডেক্স ফিঙ্গার। তোমার তর্জনী আঙুলটা আর বুড়ো আঙুলটাকে দিয়ে এটাকে ধরো। ইন্ডেক্স ফিঙ্গার মিন্স তর্জনী, দেন মিডল ফিঙ্গার, দেন রিং ফিঙ্গার। Soham held it. You look at the picture. Soham has hold. Soham has held the pipe with his thumb and the index finger. You look at the picture. Sir, addressing the class, said, the teacher addressed the class, ক্লাসটিকে সম্বোধন করে, যেমন বয়েজ অর গার্লস অর স্টুডেন্টস এই ধরনের অ্যাড্রেস করে, সেড বললেন, লেট আস লুক অ্যাট আওয়ার ফিঙ্গার্স। আচ্ছা, আমাদের আঙুলগুলো দেখা যাক কেমন। ইন হাউ মেনি প্লেসেস ক্যান দ্য ফিঙ্গার্স বি ফোল্ডেড? দেখো, ইউ ট্রাই ইয়োর সেলফ, ইউ ক্যান ফোল্ড all your fingers, but in how many places? You try it with your index finger, you fold it and see that it forms almost a quadrangle with its base line absent. That means 1, 2, 3 folds are there. 3 bones are there. You can count them. 1, 2, 3. In all the fingers you can count. In how many places can the fingers be folded? Jafar said the thumb can be folded in 2 places and the index in 3 places. Jiko said the 2 fingers begin from separate places. Rokia said 2 separate bones have gone to the wrist. Sad was happy to hear them. They all knew it. Sad was happy that they knew it. The 2 fingers begin from separate places. Those fingers that can be folded into 3 parts and the thumb that can be folded into 2 parts. These 2 fingers begin from separate places and 2 separate bones have gone to the wrist. Rokia said, the next line, Sad was happy to hear them. He said, well said. How many bones branch out from the wrist to the 5 fingers? You can count them. You look at your wrist and therefrom the bones originate, long bones. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bones are there. These are called metacarpal bones. This is not in your syllabus, I told you. These are called metacarpus. And then the bones of the fingers are called phalanges. Saying this, Sad drew a hand. Sad একজনের হাত টেনে নিলেন. Jiko thought of some time and said, Jiko thought for some time and said, কিছু সময়ের জন্যে ভাবলো জিকো, তারপর বলল, there are so many bones in our body, maybe a few hundred of them. Sonai said it is possible to count all the bones in this way. The way you count your bones in your hand may be used for counting other bones too in the other parts of your body. Maybe not, but you could at least get an idea of the number. Another said that following the same way one cannot count all the bones of a person, but he will get at least an idea of the number of bones present in our body. Is the total number of bones around 100 or maybe 200 or 300? This can be counted. There you can have an idea about the number of bones, though the actual number may not be as you think. Then Arup said, how can we know the exact number of bones? কিভাবে জানতে পারি আমরা হাড়গুলোর সঠিক সংখ্যা? By observing the skeleton of any species. যে কোনো প্রজাতির কঙ্কাল দেখে আমরা এটা বুঝতে পারি. You look at the next page, there is a human skeleton given here, and from this you can count the number of bones present in our body. It may differ from your idea to the idea of a biologist, but you will have a first-hand idea, an overall idea of the bones that may be present in our body, and that may vary to a little extent. By observing the skeleton of any species, the bones are of various sizes, from elbows to wrist. You look at the bone from your elbow, কনুই থেকে কবজি, wrist, এই পর্যন্ত যে বোনটা আছে, এখানে দুটো বোন আছে, there is a straight single bone, a very big one. Again, the bone at the base of the finger is so small. Anup pressed his right hand at various places with his left hand and said there are 2 bones from wrist to elbow, but from elbow to shoulder it is a single pipe-like bone. Right, use this method to check the bones in different parts of the body. And then what happened? Counting the bones and joints started. A new game of counting the number of bones began. You may do it in your class when the classes will restart after the summer vacation. The game is counting of number of bones. You count them and note down. What is the number of joints? How many joints are there? Now you again look at your index finger and fold it. You see there are 1, 2, and 3 joints. At the base of the index finger there is a joint. Then there are other 2 joints. That means 3 joints are there. একেবারে আঙুলের গোড়ায় একটা জয়েন্ট আছে, তার প্রতিটা পাব প্রতিটা পর্বগুলো এক একটা জয়েন্ট, তাহলে 3টে জয়েন্ট পাচ্ছ তুমি তোমার তর্জনীতে। তেমনি সব জায়গায় জয়েন্টগুলো। হোয়াট ইজ দি নাম্বার অফ জয়েন্টস? ইট ইজ নট পসিবল টু হোল্ড এ পাইপ উইদাউট দি জয়েন্টস। While playing cricket, spinners turn the ball. Suppose, and a picture is also given there to the right side of the text. Suppose a boy is bowling. So what does he do? He spins the ball above his shoulder and drop it in front of the batsman. For doing this, he has to move his hand round. While playing cricket, spinners turn the ball. This involves the use of fingers and wrist. How can he do it? How can a bowler do it? He can do it using his fingers. He take his grip. He keep the ball in his grip, and with the force of his wrist and other muscles he throws it. How many joints are there from the wrist to the fingers? When sir entered the class, John folded his fingers as if holding a ball. যেন as if holding a ball. বল যেমন করে ধরে থাকে ঠিক তেমন করে ধরেছে। Sir said the bones are connected through joints. বোনগুলো সন্ধিযুক্ত, এইভাবেই যুক্ত থাকে। Then how many bone joints are there in our body? Count, gono, by feeling your own bones and looking at the picture of the skeleton. You touch your head, and feel that the skull is strong. It is strong enough, and no joint is found because these are immovable joints. There are also many bones that form the skull, but the joints between them are not movable joints, so you cannot feel them with your finger. But while studying a skull, we can count them. Count the feeling of your bones and looking at the picture of the skeleton. Ranjan said, so many bones, don't they have separate names? We have so many bones, don't they have separate names? প্রশ্ন করছে, এদের আলাদা আলাদা নাম নেই? Yes, there are. I will tell you a few of them. কয়েকটা বোনের নাম আমি তোমাদের বলবো। From elbow to wrist, radius and ulna. From shoulder to elbow, humerus, this long bone from shoulder to elbow. Spinal cord, there are many bones jointed one after another, like a string of beads in a মালার মতন, যেন গাঁথা আছে, feel it with your fingers, and these are called vertebrae. Vertebra is the singular noun, vertebrae, and inside these vertebrae runs the spinal cord, a part of the brain that comes down through the vacuum inside these vertebrae. From hip to knee, there is the longest bone, that is the femur, thigh bone. This thigh bone is the longest bone. From knee to heel, tibia and fibula. What connects the bones to the joints? এই বোনগুলো খুলে যাচ্ছে না কেন? Why don't they get separated easily? Suppose you are throwing a cricket ball and your hand got separated from your shoulder, and your hand and the ball also, the two things, your hand, your separated hand, and the ball that you caught, these two things dropped just before the batsman. What will happen? He will get afraid. This does not happen. Why? Because a rope like material called ligament is present in the joints. They keep the bones together. And surrounding the joints of shoulder, waist, hand and leg is a fluid like substance. Fluid like substance, তরল বস্তু একটা আছে আমাদের কাঁধে, কোমরে, হাতে, হাঁটুতে, এইসব জায়গায়, ওই জয়েন্টগুলোতে। দিস সাবস্টেন্স ডিক্রিজেস, এই বস্তুটা যদি কমে যায়, উই হ্যাভ ডিফিকাল্টি ইন মুভিং আওয়ার জয়েন্টস, তাহলে আমাদের এই জয়েন্টগুলো মুভ করতে অসুবিধে হবে। ইটস লাইক দ্য হাইড্রোলিক ইন এ মোটর বাইক। ইন এ হাইড্রোলিক there are rod like things, but there are all inside the rods, there remains a strong spring, but around the rod there remains a liquid, a mobile oil, and that fluid prevents any friction inside the hydraulic. Frictions are prevented. So our joints, suppose our knee joint, there is a hydraulic like system. When you run, you don't feel pain on your knees. This is because that liquid that is present in the joint. And also another thing is there, some cartilages are there. Rina said practicing gymnastics increases the flexibility of joints. Gymnastics practice করলে আমাদের যে জয়েন্টগুলোর নমনীয়তা, ফ্লেক্সিবিলিটি বাড়ে। রাইট, ঠিক বলেছ। ক্যালসিয়াম ইজ রিকোয়ার্ড টু স্ট্রেংথেন দি বোনস। হাড় শক্ত করতে হলে ক্যালসিয়াম লাগে। মিল্ক অ্যান্ড এগস হ্যাভ ক্যালসিয়াম। দুধে আছে ক্যালসিয়াম, ডিমে আছে ক্যালসিয়াম, এছাড়াও ক্যালসিয়াম আছে চুনো মাছ, পুঁটি মাছ, এদের যে হাড়গুলো, হাড় সমেত খেতে শিখলে এর মধ্যে ক্যালসিয়াম আছে। মাছের মুড়োটা যদি খাও, হাড় সমেত যদি চিবিয়ে খেয়ে নিতে পারো, মুরগির হাড়, এর মধ্যে ক্যালসিয়াম আছে। However, it's a very interesting topic of science. I will stop here for this day, and I told you what to do, and you will study all these pages with a notebook placed beside you, and you will take a pen with you and write down the new words you find in the text and also their meanings. If you don't know you will open the pages of a dictionary or tell your parents to find it out from the internet system. There, if the spelling of the word is put, the meaning of it will come. The meaning of it will come out, and this way you can learn a lot. You have to learn English. You are a student of English medium. যারা বাংলা মিডিয়ামে পড়ছো, আমি মোটামুটি বাংলাতেও বললাম জায়গাগুলো, তাদেরও এখান থেকে পড়তে অসুবিধে নেই। একই বিষয়বস্তু, ভাষাটা আলাদা। বাট দোজ স্টুডেন্টস who are studying in English medium, they have an extra duty, that is to find out new words in every subject, in every pages, in every page of your book. Wherever you find a new word, new phrase, you have to note it down, and it's also you have to note down the meanings of those, and then you have to learn. Mere noting down will not do. There are so many medicines in a medicine shop, but you will not be cured of your disease unless and until you buy and take that medicine according to the prescription of a doctor. You go to a medicine shop and look at the medicines and come back without purchasing them, without eating them, you will not be cured of your disease. Likewise, if you want to be strong in English and your studying in the English medium is keeping in this objective in mind, that you want to learn the language better, in a better way. Therefore, you have to note down the new words as well as their meanings, and you have to learn those new words and spellings and meanings by heart, to learn by heart, mukhosto kora, and you have to remember them. You have to apply them wherever you can, wherever necessary, and you have to practice speaking English with your guardians, if possible, with your friends, with your teachers, etc. However, today I am closing this chapter. In the next day, next chapter will be taken up for discussion.